Hey everyone, and welcome back to yet another video. Now I know 2019 passed away quite a while back, but it's time to take a look at how I did in 2019. Now I believe it's the best year ever for me personally. I started investing in late 2013. This is my best year so far, much thanks to one stock, which I'll cover in a bit. Now the S&P did 28.5%. And I quite handily beat the market in 2019. The only year I didn't beat the market was 2018 when I took a big hit. So in no particular order, Amazon, which is my largest position, did 23% this year. Not the greatest year, lagged the market a little bit, but the stock has been trading in a range for a long time, and I think it's about time it breaks out. Now my second one on average this year was Alibaba, up 54%. Fantastic year. It had also been trading in a range, and it was about time it broke out. The big one this year was Tesla. I bought it in March and I ended on 103% gain in about 7 or 8 months. Well, more like 9 months. Of course, very happy with that. I bought at like 260 and 235 or something like that. I nailed the trade and I'm very happy, and I'm going to hold Tesla for a long time. As of recording of this video, it has almost hit $500. So Activision Blizzard was up 28%, nothing much, just chugging along, trying to recover after its major fall in 2018. MongoDB is up 57, good year for that stock. It's been a lot of up and down, but this stock can be all over the place, so I'm happy it's up as much as this, but I think there's way more room to grow. And Boeing, well, I've now sold Boeing, but it was up 1%, so don't have to talk too much about that. We all know what has happened to Boeing, really disappointed. I don't own Boeing anymore. And yeah, that concludes my portfolio. I've swapped out Boeing with a company called The Trade Desk, which I'll cover in a later video. So I beat the market. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Until next video.